Hey guys, thank you so much for joining and participating in this week's session of Raha Hour. It was a lot of fun and very encouraging. This week's topic was travel and logistics during COVID-19 period. It's been crazy, so many rules, everything is changing, trying to keep everybody safe, ourselves included. But, we live and we learn. So I'm going to be sharing some of the things that we learned today on the page. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe. Next week's topic will be announced and shared on Monday. I think we can share on Monday and then meet on Friday to discuss or, to participate in whatever activity or whatever theme that we'll be having for the week. Looking forward to seeing you all there. Take care of yourself and have a lovely weekend. Bye.